It's so hot.
Super hot. What do we do today?
I don't know. Let's do something that'll cool us down.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
What?
Let's make some soup.
Soup? But for this hot day, soup is hot.
Oh, I got it.
What?
Let's make some oatmeal.
Oatmeal?
Uh-huh.
That's hot too. That will cool us down.
Oh. Well, I'm all out of ideas.
I know.
What?
Let's make unicorn ice cream. But instead of ice cream, we're gonna make popsicles.
You want to make unicorn popsicles?
Yes.
What? How are we going to do that?
Well, we're gonna use fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables?
Yeah.
What?
And it's gonna be sweet.
And it's gonna be sweet.
Yeah.
That's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's do it then.
Okay, I bought some fruits and vegetables at the store, and I bought these molds at the store with my own money.
When did you buy the fruits and when?
In the morning! Early in the morning!
Okay.
You not remember? I bought it early in the morning.
These are the most beautiful reds. Yeah. Oh, and this is gonna make the best greens. Beautiful. This is great. Oh, purple. Beautiful. Pinks.
Hi.
Oh, hey, Dudette. How are you doing today?
Good. I just picked up the molds, but now I need fruits for the popsicles. Like,
Oh, you have a popsicle mold?
yeah, like those ones
That's
on your shirt.
awesome. Oh, yeah. This is the best ever. And you know what?
What?
I just picked some of the best fruit that I've ever seen with the beautifulest colors.
I'd like to
Look.
try some.
Wow, this is most bodacious.
Thank you. I just really want to eat one.
Oh, this is perfect weather for popsicles. What gave you the idea?
Well, I don't know. I just like popsicles for a hot, hot day today.
All right, Dudette. You have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Oh, yeah. I remember that. Yeah, I do remember that. Yeah, you're right.
It was early in the morning.
Oh, I'm asleep. Okay, well, let's get started. What do we need?
So we need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Cool. Are we gonna bring our friends along?
Yeah? Do you want to join, kids?
Yeah, come on, let's do it.
Come on, let's
make
do
some
it.
popsicles. Come on.
Look, they're unicorn molds. Unicorn molds.
Cool. Look, and we have our magic handy dandy blender.
Takes off too.
Perfect. All right, so let's get started.
Yeah. First, we're doing strawberries.
Strawberry?
It's
What
the-
color is that going to make?
Red.
Red. It's gonna make red.
Red. But first, we gotta take out this part.
Okay.
Where's my handy dandy knife?
You can just go like this. Look.
Where did you learn that? Oh, that's scary.
All right, let's get it in there.
Okay. That.
Perfect.
I think. Oh, there's the last
One
one.
more. Go, you do it. Bing. All right, turn the blender. Oh yeah, put the top on because you don't want it to.
On your face.
Go. Like,
And
And it's done.
okay, let's put it in a mold.
Let's put it in. Oh, careful. Careful.
Don't make me laugh.
Okay, wait. I'll help you. Grab it. I'm not gonna. Oh. If it falls, I want to be able to blame it on you.
If you make me laugh, don't make me laugh. Next is orange.
Orange. Spow.
It's brown.
Spow. All right, let's get in there. And And then, all right, now that we got it in there, let's just go ahead and blend. And oh, it's done.
Yeah. Okay, I can pour it. Don't make me laugh.
Careful!
Don't make me laugh.
Ooh, that's orange. All right, ooh, okay, what's next?
We're gonna do green.
Green.
What is the color green of? It's kiwi.
Green.
I can chop
Chop it up, chop it up.
Ah!
Ooh,
With one cut.
One cut, that was tight. Oh. All right, put the top on. And let's blend it. Blend it.
Blend, blend, blend.
And blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. It's green. Okay, let's get it in the mold.
Mold.
Oh, no, drop it. Careful. Ah, careful.
I got it.
Careful. You got it.
It's just tastes yummy.
That's going to be real good.
Now we're going to do pink, which is raspberry.
Pink. Ooh, that's gonna be tasty. Go, let's blend it. And blend.
Hey, shake, shake, shake.
Ah!
Hey.
Ooh, it's pink.
It doesn't look that much,
It
but
looks super pink. Let's get in here. I'll help you. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
don't make me laugh.
Not even a drop. Ah, if you drop it, the ants will come. And then the ants will be marching down to the ground to get out of the rain.
What if but what if the ants come in there?
No, it's gonna go in the freezer. All right, come on.
But
What's
what
next?
if they come in the freezer?
All right, what's next?
We're gonna do purple.
Purple. Purple.
It's grapes.
Grapes. Drop it in.
I almost eat it.
Drop, 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 drop. Boom. And. Woohoo! It's purple.
I'll do it myself now.
All right. Scared.
Hold it.
I'll help you. Come on, bring it.
I
Bring
got
it.
it.
Check him out.
Okay, I'll do the next one myself.
All right, let's go. Let's see. What's our last and final color?
Blue, which is blue.
Blueberries.
Can I eat one?
Sure, eat it, go.
No. Good thing we have one left.
Perfect. And let's get that in there.
And
Blah, 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 blah. Ooh, it's blue. That's a nice
yeah,
blue. That is a nice looking blue.
I'll do it myself.
Don't drop it.
I'll do it myself.
Don't drop it. Come help me.
I'll do it.
Help me, it's too heavy.
I can do it.
Perfect.
Now I will do the things.
The things. Let's
These
go.
things. First we're gonna do red, orange, green,
Okay.
pink,
Woo.
purple,
Perfect.
blue, rainbow.
Rainbow unicorn colors.
Okay, now let's put them in.
Now the last step is to do what?
Put them in the freezer.
Freeze, 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 freeze.
The rainbow unicorn in the freezer.
Let's go. Ooh. Go.
They fit. Now they fit.
Perfect.
Now they fit.
Now that we got them in the freezer, we gotta wait about, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. We're gonna wait till tomorrow, and then we're gonna eat rainbow popsicles.
Rainbow popsicles.
All right. Well, we'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. popsicles are done.
Guess what? I think they're ready.
Wait, what?
Whoa! Yeah, go get them.
Okay.
Go get them. I'm so excited.
It's stuck again. Oh, it's open. I thought I locked it in the night, or is it already?
I'm trying to lock it from the ants.
Yes.
All right. Ooh.
Popsicle.
All right.
You want to try one?
We'll try one. Yeah, let's get them out. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think I got them.
We need a tray.
Well, hold on. Let's see first. Let's see if we can get them to stand right here. Here, I'll push them up and then you pull it up.
I already
And then
did.
we'll get it. Wait.
I need help.
Ah,
Oh, it did. It came out like a unicorn almost.
perfect. Ooh, does it stand on top? Ooh-wee. Okay.
I
Here,
guess.
I'll help you. Let's see if I can just pull it out.
Oh, purple. I'll push
Ooh,
it.
that came out real good. Look at the purple.
It looks almost like black. Like blackberries.
This is grape. Okay.
Pink.
Ooh.
It
Oh,
looks so pink.
it looks cool.
I keep that part.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
It's strawberry. It will taste good.
It's my favorite. My favorite's the red one.
I want the pink one. Orange. Look, red, orange, green,
Ooh, that one came out perfect.
like a unicorn. And this one too, it came out perfect.
Last one.
Green.
Oh, wow, it's so green. It looks like an emerald.
What time?
Ah, green. Ooh. Wow. Let's try one. You want to try one?
No.
You want me to try one?
Yes.
I'm gonna try my
I'll eat one later.
favorite, which is green. Let's see.
It tastes good.
Oh my god!
What?
Oh, that tastes like kiwi.
Oh.
Oh, that is
Give me a
so good. Try it. Oh, this is so good.
Wait.
Wait, let's give one to the camera. Come eat it. That's good, huh?
Wait, I have an idea.
What?
Since they're so good, we should sell them.
Yeah, heck yeah, let's sell them.
Yeah, let's sell one to my brother and the guy from the store.
Guy from the store, we're gonna sell them to everyone. What do you mean?
Yes.
Let's go set up a stand.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Ice pops, ice pops. Who wants some ice pops? Hey.
Oh, hey, Dudette.
Hi.
Wow,
We have
look
ice
at
cream.
those. Look at those majestic creatures. Wow.
They're unicorns.
Those are unicorns. Look at them. You know, they say unicorns are just such good luck and good vibes for the world.
Yep. These have for free.
For free?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's why you don't have the cash register today.
Sure, I'll go ahead and take one. Look.
Okay.
These are like the beautiful colors that I picked out for you. They're like
Yeah.
great.
My dad.
Can I get a purple one, please?
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Okay. Here you go.
Whoa. Let's see how that tastes. Whoa.
Do you like it?
That tastes like grapes.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, this is perfect. Well, thanks a lot. Good luck with selling all of your
Wait.
popsicle. Yeah.
We will have a party if you want to.
Sure, we'll have a popsicle party.
Yeah, we can have a popsicle party. You're just a guest.
Perfect. Popsicle party. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Popsicle party.
Tea.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
So good.
Now who's the next customer? Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here's the red popsicle.
Try it, little dude.
It's so good.
Oh, it's so good, isn't it?
They're super good.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, kids, do you want one too? I'll give you one. Here, I'll give you the blue one. Here you go, kids.
Thank you.
Or you can have another one if you want to. Bye, Aiden. I hope you enjoyed this popsicle. And bye, kids. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to subscribe. Bye. I get you a popsicle too.